Hey everybody. So this video is going to talk briefly about neural coding. And neural coding is the way in which the nervous system is going to convert information into a meaningful pattern of action potentials. What this means is how does your nervous system take information and better allow your body to understand what it means, right? So if someone comes over and pokes you in the shoulder, you may feel that pressure of someone poking you in the shoulder, right? Maybe it feels like you got someone nudged up against you. However, if there's more of a complex pattern of action potentials being fired off, you may feel something different, right? So if someone walks up to you and, you know, slaps you on the back, right? Or they play a little song, they start poking around on your back and all over the place, you start feeling pokes all over the place, right? The point is, the more intensive, the more intricate the stimulus is, the easier it is your body to take all those different stimuli and create a new code, right? And to integrate what the heck is actually happening there. So, in other words, your nervous system is going to take on this recruitment of different action potentials and create a judgment of that stimulus so that you can actually identify what's going on. So, the more motor units that are used, the more axons that are used, in other words, the more neurons that you're actually using, the better your body is at being able to code that in a way that you can better understand what's going on, right? So for another example, because my first one was pretty bad, let's say we have a spider walking on your leg and it's really, really, really small. It's really light. Well, you're not going to get many, there's not going to be many axons being fired off if it's a really light, right? You may not see what's going on there. So your body may recognize that maybe as, I think something's on your leg. So then your body's going to go, oh, whatever, just wipe it off. You didn't even know there's anything there. Just felt like maybe a little itch. Now, if you had a tarantula, a much larger spider, walking on your leg, and you could feel those stimulations because it's applying more pressure to the body, and it has all those little hairs that are tickling on top of your leg, and you're starting to feel all these little sensations of pressure and all these little points, all these little legs walking on you, and the little hairs tickling you. Now your body's going to take all of those axons because you're using way more of them now. You're getting way more neural integration. You're getting more action potentials firing off, and it's painting a picture for you. In the first stage, there was a couple neurons saying something's there, I think. Now there's a whole bunch of neurons telling your body saying, we feel 8 little pressure points and they're constantly moving. We feel all these little mini points on your body if something's tickling you, right? It feels like something's moving up your leg. You're really painting a picture, and now in your mind you're going, whoa, this is scary. And then you just smash that thing off and you freak out because it feels like there's an insect crawling on you, right? So what I'm trying to say is the more action potentials you get, the more stimulus you get, your body's able to recruit all of these action potentials and add them all up and paint a better picture of what the heck's going on in your body. So you can think about it and integrate it into something, right? Take a few minutes, read about this, because again, now we're moving into, it's a little more complex, right? So this is neural coding. If you have any questions on that, or if you need better examples, I'm happy to give you those. Just send me a message. Let me know what's going on.